So here we're going to show you how to remove a ring mark on your furniture. So first you want to use some cleaning vinegar of any brand and then some olive oil of any brand. So here I mixed 1/4 part vinegar and 3/4 parts olive oil, and you just want to give it a little bit of a stir just to make sure all the ingredients are mixed. Then I went ahead and used the 000 Superfine Steel Wool. Now this is really important because you don't want to use anything that's heavy and that's going to wreck your furniture. So it has to be a 000 Superfine Steel Wool. And as you can see, I was just dabbing it on and I left it for about half an hour, and I came back and here you can see it's gone, but I thought I'd just give it a bit of a wipe down, and it actually brought it out of the furniture. You couldn't see it. So this was before and this was after. So just know that it doesn't work on all ring marks, but it's definitely something cost effective and it's not going to go ahead and wreck your furniture, so it's worth a shot.